One day, Gordon the Proud Express engine was ill. Workmen had tried to make him better, but it was no use. I'm sorry, Gordon, but it looks like Edward will have to take you over to the Sodor Steamworks. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Oh dear, said Percy. With Gordon at the Sodor Steamworks, who do you suppose will take the express?
Then an idea flew into Percy's funnel.
Perhaps maybe I can take the express. Really? A small engine like you, Percy? Why, that's a responsible job only for important tender engines like me and Henry, not for silly little green caterpillars like you. Oh, yeah? Well, at least I took care of the coaches back when Dowager Hat took control of the railway. Surely I can pull that stunt again. After all, I can wear the trousers on this island. Yeah, right. Didn't you remember, Percy? Only legs go in trousers, not funnels. Oh, really?
If you utter so much as one insult like that, I'll hunt you down and gut you like a fish!
Did someone say fish?
Wait, Stan? What are you doing? Wait, stop!
Fish. Well, anyway, where is my fish?
Okay, I see your point.
Now then, James, I want you to take the Wild Nor'Wester while Gordon is still under repairs. He still needs plenty of time to get better after all.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. See? Told ya. You red smug show-off. Two seats, please.
Take a seat, young tank engine. Come on, James, off we go. We don't want to be late now.
Make way for an important engine.
That's not funny.
Then there was trouble. The express was very heavy, and James was losing steam, but he had to struggle on. Until at last, he couldn't take it any longer. For crying out loud, I could have told him that we need another engine for this train, and now look where we are. You better run back to the yards and tell Harry. Why is it always me that has to do these favors, eh? Why? Now don't you start that argument again. After all, we've got a schedule to keep up. the boss's orders. Now be off with you. Chop, chop. Fine, I'm going. Jeez. Why hello there, Edward, my friend. How's it going?
Well, I just dropped by to see how things are going with Gordon. Is he all right?
Well, I'm sorry to say this, but the old Gordon may be gone. But you can say hello to the new and improved Gordon. Look.
Good golly, Gordon! Is that really you?
Indeed, my dear Edward. I feel as good as new, don't I? Heck, I could surely have a race with Spencer in my new shape. Ah, there you are, Gordon. I didn't seem to recognize you at first. I want you to go up to the hill, please. Will do, sir. Perhaps I should teach James a lesson about pulling heavy trains like the express, am I right? That's a good engine. Off you go now. So, are you all right there, James?
All right. All right. Do I look all right to you?
Never mind that. Naturally, with my new shape, you and I can both pull the train together and make up for lost time too. Right. Are you ready?
I guess so.
Well, in that case, let's rock and roll! Well done, Gordon. It's good to have you back. And it's kindly good to be back too, sir. With the help of James, that is.
James was so embarrassed that he had to let off steam, and Gordon had to beam from buffer to buffer.
Well, would you believe it?
That's what he said.